Welcome back to Maddie English Practice. I'm Maddie.
And I'm Jules. Today, we are looking at two words that describe what it feels like when you are having a very difficult day.
A difficult day. We all have those. What are the words today?
The words are exhausted and frustrated.
Oh, exhausted and frustrated. English learners sometimes mix these up because they both happen when we are stressed out.
Exactly. But the feeling inside your body is completely different for each word. Let's start with exhausted.
To be exhausted means your physical or mental battery is completely empty. You have absolutely zero energy left. It is one huge step beyond being just tired.
Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine you have a newborn baby at home. The baby is crying every 2 hours, all through the night.
Oh, you are getting absolutely no sleep at all.
Right, and the next morning you have to go to work and stand on your feet for an 8-hour shift. When you finally come home, you aren't just tired, you are exhausted.
Ugh, you just want to collapse into bed and close your eyes. The only cure for being exhausted is rest.
Now let's switch to the second word, frustrated. This is not about your energy battery being empty. This is about being blocked from what you want to do.
Exactly. You feel frustrated when you want to achieve a goal, but something is stopping you and you cannot fix it. It is a mix of anger, annoyance, and feeling helpless.
Let's use another real scenario. Have you ever tried to buy something online, but the website keeps crashing right when you try to pay?
Oh, I hate that. You type in your long credit card number, you click confirm, and the screen just freezes.
And then it deletes all your information and you have to type it in all over again.
Yes, in that moment, you don't want to go to sleep. You want to throw your computer out the window. That angry, stuck feeling is exactly what it means to be frustrated.
That is the perfect way to describe it. Being exhausted makes you want to sleep. Being frustrated makes you want to scream.
And of course, sometimes these words team up. If you are already exhausted from a long day, it is much easier to become frustrated by small problems.
Very true. A lack of sleep makes everything more frustrating.
Your homework for today. Think about your week. Was there a moment when your battery was at zero and you felt exhausted? Or was there a moment when you were blocked and felt frustrated? Practice explaining both feelings out loud in English.
Being able to clearly explain why you're having a hard day is so important for communication. You're doing great.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Don't get frustrated, just keep practicing. See you next time on Maddie English Practice.